Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel, and today it's Will It Shave Wednesday. Real quick, I'm gonna wet my face. Oh yes, got a couple days worth of growth, and it's time for a shave. Today's shave soap is by HC&C, and this is Italian Plum. Now, if you guys haven't seen this or had a chance to get your nose on it, I highly recommend it. It's a very classic scent, and I think it's been around for quite some time. I think it's one of the original ones that Pete had. Don't quote me on it. But the scent on it is a very classic scent, and it's not really just plum. There's some other mysterious scents in there, and I'll put a little description here of the scent profile. And it's not really anything complex, but just the combination of those characters, the plum and the sandalwood. It's very, what's the word I'm looking for? Anyway, it's a very interesting scent, and my wife loves the scent, and I have the matching aftershave splash to go with it. So like I said, if you have a chance to do that, get it. I also have that whipped up in my Captain's Choice copper bowl, and my Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements Astreaus brush that I pulled the original knot out and put a badger knot in there. And before I get too excited and start to apply the lather, I'm going to talk about the razor. This is a Shave Dad collaboration with Alpha Razor Works. Let's see here if you can get that. Probably can't see it. Big fingers in the way. I already have it loaded up with a Gillette 7 o'clock yellow, and it feels really nice in the hand. Jerry's a good buddy of mine. We kind of started our journey at the same time. I went with the YouTube videos, and he went with the Facebook group. Anyway, I wish Jerry would have sent me this razor, but unfortunately he didn't. I purchased it, and it was a pretty good deal. They were running a special, and it went out really quick on the availability. And I think I just seen the other day that they have a new plate coming out, which is an open comb. I wish that I could have purchased that one first, because everyone that watches knows I really enjoy open combs. But anyway, I digress, and we shall progress to the shave. Anyway, did I say this is an aluminum razor? It's got the little logo on the back, and it comes with the little stand, but I opted not to buy the fancy little box, because you know my theory on the boxes. And the stand is kind of a nice little thing, because then you're not plopping the razor down on your shelf. Anyway, I'm going to see if it's a mild razor. I'm hoping it's like the copper razor that I had purchased in the past, because I did like the way it shaves. That's the will it shave part. Had no troubles whipping up the lather with the HC&C soap. Very nice. 1/4 teaspoon, 14 milliliters of water worked for me. The only thing about that brush is it wants to slide out of the bowl. All right, so I'm going to warm up the razor here. I've got a bowl full of cold water. Normal routine for me. And let's go with pass number 1 with the grain. Nice. I am noticing I've got to apply a little bit more pressure, because it's an aluminum razor and it's light. Versus the copper or stainless steel razors that have a little more heft to them. I know a lot of people enjoy the light razors. Excellent. I thought about using the Gillette Silver Blue blade in this one, but I opted not to. Still whittling away at this box of blades. This particular pack only has, or the little tuck, only has one blade left in it. No problems rinsing out. I didn't think about it. I should have looked up the blade gap and stuff on it, but I didn't do it. All right, let's get loaded up here. Ready for pass number 2. Here's the lather that I got. Very nice. About to have a blooper. I'm gonna go out and try to mow today. I don't really look forward to it. The last couple of days have been nice and cool, and today the heat got turned back on, so there you go. Now you know. All right, pass number 2 across the green. Plenty of residual slickness with the soap. I believe Pete is going to be having some new releases coming out soon. If you haven't checked out the website, I know I've said this in the past, but it's changed from the original format from several years ago, and I like it. I feel like it's a little bit easier to navigate. Nice. I'll say that the razor is pretty efficient, but it feels nice. It's not super, you know, like bitey, and it definitely knocks down the growth. And that last razor, this one whoops it. All right, I'm gonna get cleaned up with some cold water, and I'll be right back. What a nice shave. Before I get too far into the splash and the star jelly, I forgot to mention, and this is probably an epic fail on my part, but I think it was 2 weeks ago, roughly, Tobin and I did a collaboration shave on his channel. I don't know what I was thinking. I didn't advertise it or anything. I should have put a little post on YouTube saying, hey, we're going to be over here doing this. It just slipped my mind. I was thinking about some other stuff. But anyway, during the shave, we had announced that we were going to do a giveaway, and it was Tobin's idea to select Cardinal as a way to enter. And so, you know, when you do collaboration type things, it's to kind of help each other out. And I think anyway, it was just one of those fun things. And so he was trying to get, I think, some of his viewers to come and watch my channel. And we didn't really talk about it, but he had mentioned in the video that if you had on my next video past his, confusing, to put Cardinal in to enter for a gift card giveaway. And so that's kind of what sparked the shave for today, because Pete Hendricks is gracious enough to send me the $15 gift cards to give away. And so, failure on my part, I apologize. But anyway, everyone that commented, and some of the people that are the typical viewers on my channel probably didn't know why people were putting Cardinal in there, so I apologize. But I'll have a giveaway coming up so everyone can enter to win. And so in this HC&C bowl, I took all of the comments that people had with the word Cardinal in it, printed them out, and folded them up and stuck them in the bowl. And so here we go. I'm going to draw 2 people for $15 gift cards to HC&C. And if you don't know, I'll put the website for Hendrix Classic and Company below in the description box. And so what you'll have to do is contact me either on Facebook Messenger, Instagram, or my email, and then I will send you the digital code. Here we go. Let's mix it up. I have no idea who is who. And there's some new viewers that picked up on it. Here's the first one. Upside down. Jeff. Jeff commented, "Thanks, Matthew. I like a razor that patinas. I like to see the change in a character as time passes. Cardinal." There we go. Jeff, please contact me. You are the first winner of the $15 giveaway. The next one, I believe I had 12 people that commented. Oh, here's a lengthy one. Brian. You guys can't see it, but you'll know who you are. Brian, I appreciate the honest review. Sounds like this razor didn't give you the best shave. We know it wasn't the fault of the silver blue because it's a quality blade. I agree with you, Matthew. The important piece is the razor itself. Cardinal. I agree with you, Brian. I did make comments. I try to comment on every single person's comment, and if for some reason your comment doesn't get a reply or a heart or a like, it's probably because YouTube flagged it or didn't notify me. And from time to time, I will even go back to my videos and read all the comments to make sure that I was able to reply to you. Because if you take the time to comment on my channel, I want to give you the satisfaction, appreciation, or what's that word? You know, where I recognize that you commented. I want to appreciate you, and I like to comment back. This is a nice scent. I do recommend shaking the splashes so that the oils and all the other contents get mixed up. Oh yeah, better put a little extra on there. I'm gonna go down and talk to my wife here in a little bit. I need all the help I can get, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, if you have any lady friends, they will surely enjoy the Italian Plum. And to follow that up with my post-care routine will be a little bit of star jelly. Wow, so nice. I'm just going to leave it at that. Thank you for Pete for donating the $15 gift cards. I hope that the viewers respond, because sometimes on giveaways, I've got to track people down and find them. And I think the easiest way for me is just to go back if they don't respond within X amount of time. Go back and comment on their comment again, because I know YouTube will email them and say, hey, somebody replied to your comment. So there you go. That's how it goes. I'll see you guys on the next shave video. You have a great rest of your week.